My name is Donald Dickens. I live in Fuquay-Varina. This is a family farm that fourth generation. I'd always wanted a metal building, a garage to pull things into and work on tractors or cars or whatever. And I've kind of put it off, but decided that now was the time. I can't wait forever. This building is made by Eagle. It's really well done. I was amazingly impressed by the quality of this building. It's put up correctly. The screws are aligned. It's square. The men who put it up did a beautiful job, worked incredibly hard. I'm looking forward to using it for a couple of things. One thing to work on tractors. The other thing is for my grandson's race car. We're going to be able to pull it in here and let him work on it. I'm excited to use it. We're not quite finished. We have to wire it and what have you, put gravel down. But it's a beautiful building, and I'm very proud of it.